Hello everyone, welcome to another session by Simplilearn. In today's session, we will discuss arithmetic and geometric progression, which is an important subtopic of sequence and series. We'll start by defining what is an arithmetic progression. Then we'll move on to learn how to find the nth term of the sequence that is in AP and the sum of the n terms using the formula. After that, we'll solve a numerical example to learn how the formula works. Then we'll move on to geometric progression and see how to calculate its nth term and the sum of the n terms using a formula. We'll solve an example for geometric progression as well. So, without further ado, let's get started. Arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is a sequence in which the difference between one term and the next term is constant. The difference is called the common difference and is denoted by a d. Look at this series. As you can see, these are all even numbers. But did you know this is also an arithmetic progression? See the difference between two adjacent numbers. For every instance, the difference is 2, which is called the common difference. Therefore, this is an arithmetic progression. The nth term of an AP, where the first term is a and the common difference is d, is given by an is equal to a plus n minus 1d, where an is the nth term, a is the first term, and d is the common difference. And the sum of the n terms of a AP with the first term a and the common difference d is given by Sn equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1d, where Sn is the sum of n terms, a is the first term, and d is the common difference. Let's move on to example to get more clarity on these formulas. Consider the following series 2, 6, 10, 14. We have to find the 12th term and the sum of the first 12 terms of this series. So, to find the nth term, we'll use the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1d, where a is equal to 2, n is equal to 12, and the common difference is 4. Putting the values in the formula, we'll get the value to be 46. So the 12th term of this series will be 46. To calculate the sum of the first 12 terms of the series, we'll use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1d, where n is the number of terms, a is the first value, and the d is the common difference. Putting the values in the formula, we'll get the value to be 288. So the sum of the first 12 terms of the series is 288. Now let's move on to geometric progression. A geometric progression is a sequence where every term bears a constant ratio to its preceding term. Geometric progression is a special type of sequence. In order to get the next term in the geometric progression, we have to multiply the fixed term known as the common ratio every time. And if we want to find the preceding term in the sequence, we just have to divide the term with the same common ratio. If the first term of the series is a and the common ratio is r, we can calculate the next term by multiplying the first term with the common ratio. The geometric progression formula is used to find the nth term in the sequence. To find the nth term in the geometric progression, we require the first term and the common ratio. If the common ratio is not known, the common ratio is calculated by finding the ratio of any term by its preceding term. The formula for the nth term of the geometric progression is an is equal to a r to the power n minus 1, where a is the first term, r is the common ratio, and n is the number of terms which we want to find. The geometric progression sum formula is used to find the sum of all the terms in a geometric sequence. The sum of the geometric series is calculated by the formula Sn is equal to a r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, where a is the first term, r is the common ratio, and n is the number of terms in the series. Let's work on an example to understand this formula better. Consider the following series 2, 6, 18, 54. We have to find the 10th term of the series and the sum of the first 8 terms of the series. So, to calculate the 10th term, where a is equal to 2 and r is equal to 3, which is a common ratio, we'll use the formula an equal to a r to the power n minus 1. Putting the above values in the formula, we'll get the value to be 39366. So, the 10th term of this formula will be 39,366. Now, to find the sum of the 8 terms of the series, we'll use the sum formula, which was a r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So, putting the above values in the formula where a was 2 and the common ratio was 3, we'll get the value to be 6560. So, the sum of the 8 terms of the series will be 6560. With this, we have come to the end of this video on arithmetic progression and geometric progression. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, then please put them in the comment section. Also, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to the Simplilearn channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you for watching and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.